So this is a prepared whole mount tissue section of skeletal muscles which are separated or teased, and which also contains nervous tissue, specifically your motor end plates here. So this is actually the axon from a motor type of neuron, and this area would be your motor end plate. So if we zoom in, we can better appreciate the neuromuscular junction in this area. So this would be your motor end plates here, here, and here. And this would be the end part of your axon of your motor neuron. You can try zooming in more. To better visualize the motor end plates here. Okay, again, this is the end terminal of your axon from a motor type of neuron.